Alright, welcome to solving multi-step inequalities. Just like the one-step inequalities, we're going to treat the inequality symbol just like the equal sign. And it's actually the same as solving a normal equation. So the good news is we've already done these solving steps. It's just that the answers will be different because we're working with inequalities versus an equal sign. So if I look at the first inequality, treat that like an equal sign. I'm going to try to isolate the variable, so I'm going to get rid of anything that I can get rid of. So I'll subtract 160 on both sides first, and I'm left with 4f is less than or equal to 340. And then in order to isolate f all by itself, we divide by 4 on both sides, and we're left with f is less than or equal to 340 divided by 4 is 85. So there's our solution. If we were to actually graph this thing, this will be a very quick graph. So we got 84, 85, 86. F is less than or equal to 85, meaning we're including 85 and anything less than that. Alright, so there we go. And that's how we do that. And we can check our answer just like we normally would. Try plugging 84 in for f and seeing if it works in our inequality. Alright, so the next one, same deal. I'm going to try to get t all by itself. I'll subtract 7. I'm left with negative 2t and 14. And rules still apply when I have to divide by a negative. I have to flip this sign around. So it's going to be t is greater than or equal to negative 7. And I won't go through and graph that one, but again, you can check and plug in a number that would be part of your solution to make sure that you got the right answer. For instance, any number greater than negative 7 should work. Let's just try negative 6 real quick. If I put negative 6 in for t, 7 minus 2 times negative 6, well, negative 2 times negative 6 is 12, so a positive 12, so we really have 7 plus 12, which is 19, and is 19 less than or equal to 21? Yes, so we know that we got that correct. Alrighty, and one more quick example and that'll be it. So just so you're aware, there might be some other stuff going on, like a distributive property. So we would do negative 3 times 3, that's negative 9. Negative times a negative is a positive, and less than 4 to the second power, 4 times 4 is 16. And then we would go ahead and solve this real quick. So add 9, and we're left with 3x is less than 25. So it looks like for this one, we get kind of a weird answer. We get a fraction, so we'd have to divide by 3, divide by 3. So really, you could leave this as x is less than